Prab, Namaskarang Lompo, and hello to all the students of Inner Dream Kindergarten. My name is Seema Saroj. After the seeds of Dhamma were planted in Mumbai and Kalyan earlier this year, this is a time to plant more seeds in other places of India. Soon these seeds will grow like the Bodhi tree, which will give you the shade of peace for the people throughout the India and the world. Nagpur is a very historical city for every Indian Buddhist because this is where Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar embraced Buddhism, which initiated the revival of Buddhism in India. Now it is our turn to complete this mission. The training of Upasika and Upasaka were held in many venues this time. So let me show you the story of the mission for the revival of Buddhism here in India.
In this rural area, there is a narrow road leading to a village, where people rely on cars for traveling. They live a tough life, living in poverty. Villagers and herds feel belongings and clay houses made from cow dung. Although the villagers are Buddhists, they live their lives without knowing the true duty of Buddhists. So, wherever the monk passed by, villagers came out from homes to welcome and follow the monks like a parrot. They hope that the monk would be able to give them the light of the lives they have been waiting for. The villagers are similar to all the Buddhists in India who wish to learn how to be good Buddhists. Since the lay people retreat in Kalyan and Mumbai, organized during the mid-year, the Indian Buddhists have requested the monks for their return to organize the retreat again in December 2553. "54 years ago in Nagpur, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was there, leading 500,000 Indians to pledge a Buddhist vow. At Munijapur, villagers are waiting in this backcountry." The Indian Buddhists were interested in retreat as they read from brochures, pamphlets, and newspapers. About 200 people came to join the retreat each day. Although there was a storm that caused power blackout. From the afternoon until the evening there was no light, and the sleeping cord got wet. But most people remained there for the training. Everyone had strong intention. Although there were hundreds of them, they could bow all together ordering, which made a beautiful and amazing scene. They displayed the Buddhist strength by pledging a Buddhist vow. The Dharma lectures included practice of generosity, precepts, and meditation. The teaching monks instilled these virtues into people's hearts. A very poor participant came to the teaching monk to offer 1 rupee, which is all the money he had. When it's time to meditate, everyone could experience lightness and comfort. Half of the participants could see the bright sphere or Buddha image at the center of the bodies. It wasn't the long retreat, yet it could change the participants' lives forever. It also strengthened the faith of every participant toward Buddhism.
हम बहुत 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 खुश हैं। ये हमारा फर्स्ट टाइम मेडिटेशन, बट इतना खुश हुआ, हम इतना खुश कि शायद ही जो हमें यहाँ मिला वो हमें कभी नहीं और कहीं नहीं मिला। जो सुख शांति हम लोगों ने यहाँ पाया वो हमने कभी नहीं पाया। भंटे जी लोगों ने जो हमें धम्म दिया है, ये धम्म आज तक हमने नहीं पाया। हम बहुत आई एम वेरी 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 हैप्पी। उफ़ा धम्मा सायो, मैं उनसे ये कहना चाहूँगी, सबसे पहले तो त्रिवार वंदन, और मैं भिक्खु को ये कहना चाहूँगी कि उन्होंने जो यहाँ संघ भेजा है और उन्होंने जो हमें दिया है वो मैं जीवन में कभी नहीं भूल सकती, कभी नहीं। भले ही मेरी ज़िंदगी ख़त्म हो जाएगी, लेकिन ये शिविर और ये जो मान सम्मान, इन सब लोगों का मान सम्मान मैं कभी नहीं भूल सकती। और ऐसा शिविर ये मेरी ज़िंदगी का पहला शिविर है और मैं चाहूँगी कि ऐसे शिविर मेरी ज़िंदगी में हर बार आते रहे। मैं जब यहाँ से वापस जाऊँगी तो अपने घर के ही लोगों को नहीं, आजू बाजू के लोगों को और सभी लोगों को, जहाँ तक मैं बता सकूँ मैं सभी लोगों को बताना चाहूँगी कि ये शिविर अटेंड करे और फिर अनुभव करे कि इस शिविर में सचमुच क्या है। इस शिविर में जो आएगा मैं 100% कह सकती हूँ कि वो वापस दोबारा इस धर्म को छोड़कर कभी नहीं और कहीं नहीं जाएगा।
Hemant Chinde, who recently completed the International Dhammadayada Ordination Program in Thailand, tirelessly dedicated his time and effort throughout the retreat in order to revive Buddhism.
I am very thankful towards all the Makaya staff and all the monks from the Makaya for giving me this opportunity to come here and serve them. My wish was to serve the Makaya after coming to India, and I am fulfilling it. Oh, I am very grateful towards Lumpur. Meditation is very good. I can see the crystal ball. It is feeling inside my center of my body, and still it is getting bigger and bigger and covering India as well. And I am giving metta to all the world, as you have said, and make this India once again the ancient Buddhist India.
Mahindra, not only he completed his training in Nagpur, but he also traveled 5 hours to undergo another training in Balakat. Afterward, he returned to his hometown and taught meditation in his neighborhood. This is the evidence that inner peace can create the sense of sharing and motivate people to start their missions for Buddhism.
और ये यहाँ ज्वाइन होने के बाद मुझे इतना अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। मैं पहले दिन से ही ऐसा जो देख रहा हूँ तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, क्योंकि मैंने पहले दिन से ही जब कोशिश की तो मुझे यहाँ से मतलब एक लाइट दिखा और फिर वो एक अपने सर तक चले गया। लेकिन जो आखिरी दिन में मतलब कल हमें जो बताया गया था कि आप देखिए अपने अंदर वो प्योर बॉल को देखिए, तो मैं उसको जब देखने की कोशिश किया तो इतना तेजस्वी था कि मैं उसको देख नहीं पा रहा था। और वो आपका जब बॉल बड़ा जब होते जाता है तो मैं इतना बड़ा देखा हूँ कि वो बॉल फैलते पूरे विश्व को ढक दिया है उस बॉल ने। और ये अनुभव मैं अभी भी अनुभव कर सकता हूँ। और मैं इस मेडिटेशन में सभी बौद्ध बांधवों का स्वागत करता हूँ कि वो आए और जुड़े, इसका आनंद लीजिए, ये अनुभव को महसूस कीजिए। इस अनुभव को मैं
Pranaj, a young man who was impressed by the training during mid-year in Mumbai. He volunteered himself as a mentor for this retreat. Both in Nagpur and Balakat, with the heart of great spiritual friend, there were so many other people who were impressed by these trainings.
India is a city, India is a country of the Lord Buddha. That's why it is my dream to develop the Lord Buddha Dhamma in all over the world. I will develop the Lord Buddha's Dhamma in India through a Dhammakaya Foundation. Jai Bhim for Lupa Dhammachayo. I am so happy you give support for developing the India. It is a more is my pleasure to attend this Dhammakaya Foundation's camp. Dhammakaya Foundation teach me how to do the meditation and how to develop your Dhamma in India. Please always you help us for developing the Lord Buddha's Dhamma in India. Thank you.
त्यामुळे आमच्या सर्व बांधवांना फार चांगला फायदा झालेला आहे। ध्यान साधनेमुळे भरपूर आम्हाला समाधान मिळतं आहे आणि अशाच प्रकारचे विदर्भामध्ये चांगल्या तऱ्हेने आम्हाला कार्यक्रम आयोजित करायचे आहे।
I am very much impressed by this retreat, 7 days retreat at Shantivan Nagpur. I am confident that this retreat will bring revival of Buddhism in India. I am such impressed by the Buddhist culture in Thailand. If I am thinking that if this culture could be possible in India, it will be the leading nation in the world. And once the Buddhism and the Buddhist culture will establish in this country, India, it will go in the beyond time. It will go to the whole world.
मुझे बेहद खुशी हो रही है कि यहाँ इस छोटे से गांव में धम्मकाया फाउंडेशन से आए हुए सारे भंतेगण और उपासक उपासिका यहाँ आकर यहाँ जो उन्होंने कार्यक्रम किया, और हमारे जो यहाँ के लोग हैं, यहाँ के जो हमारे लोग हैं वो बेचारे गरीब हैं, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी उनके पास में बहुत बड़ी भावना है, बुद्ध के लिए त्याग है, समर्पण और मैत्री है, और इसीलिए ये लोग दूर दूर से आए हुए हैं। लेकिन बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं वो नहीं जानते हैं जो हम लोगों को धम्मकाया की तरफ से सीखने को मिलता है। और मैं ये चाहती हूँ कि इसी तरह से हमारा बुद्धिज़्म जो है वो बढ़ता रहे। हमारे डॉक्टर बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर का सपना था कि पूरा भारत बुद्धमय हो जाए, और इसमें चीफ अबट जो हमारे लिए कर रहे हैं वो पूरा भारत बुद्धमय करने का सपना पूरा करने का बाबा साहब का सपना पूरा कर रहा है, मैं ऐसा कहूँगी। इसलिए मैं उनकी बहुत आभारी हूँ।
Lanterns were lit up to decorate splendid nights and illuminate the heart of all Indian Buddhists. It's like the light of hope that shines again after the downfall of Buddhism in India. The learning of Buddhist culture and the discovery of inner peace have transformed all participants to be the true Buddhists. They are now ready to revive Buddhism, to be prosperous once again, and lead all Indians to attain the Dhammakaya at the center of the body, the inviolable lost heritage that the Lord Buddha discovered under the Bodhi tree 2,600 years ago.
This is the heritage for every children of India. I would like to convey my utmost thanks to Longpo Dhammajayo, the abbot of Vatpra Dhammakaya, for making the dream of Buddhist revival in India become a reality. I would like to share this merit to the students of Inner Dream Kindergarten around the world. My name is Seema Saroj, reporter reporting from Nagpur. Punya Anumodhana. Swadika.